shot.
Valen!
Ay,
Let's go.
pang-apat na hit, balik na. Bid na.
How's it doing, guys? Gablord Sniper here. Welcome back to yet another Airsoft action video. Today we're playing with our Brazilian friends in this place called Tunnel Site. The last time I was here was 2 years ago when I started to play Airsoft. I made myself a ghillie for my rifle and it's very effective in this field. Game mode is team deathmatch with 3 respawn. The 4th time you get hit, you're out of the game.
Balik pa, balik. Pwede pa. Hit! Hit! First shot! Hit! One down. Tago. Jigs, na isa Jigs. Taas Jigs, nasi kuya. Nasi kuya dia. Bantay. Nasi kuya dia stars. 3. Sugat kayo na, Toro. Hot shot! Kuha rin. Kamalos! Respawn! Hit! Ouch! Last shot.
I was the last guy left from our team, and this is my last life. There is still 2 enemies left. I need to take them down or we lost the round.
Oh!
1 guy left.
Enemy spotted. Enemy down. Roger that.
Well, that's it for this video, guys. Hope you like it, and if you do, smash that like button, share it to your friends, and comment something positive. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next one.